Welcome to your new favorite way to display plants with the Bamworld plant stand corner tall indoor-outdoor plant shelf. This sleek metal 3-tiered plant table is perfect for showcasing multiple flower pots in a modern style. Its tall, narrow design fits perfectly into corners, saving space while adding a decorative touch. Whether you place it in your living room, balcony, garden, or patio, it elevates your home decor effortlessly. The sturdy metal construction ensures durability for both indoor and outdoor use. With 3 spacious tiers, you can create a beautiful arrangement of your favorite plants. Transform any space with this stylish and functional plant display stand. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.